people of the world. Okay, so today I've actually got up at 8 o'clock. It's 9:15 right now, and I got up at 8 because I have to go today somewhere outside. Is this focusing on me? Yes, it is. Uh, I look very bad. I know that. I look like a ghost. Actually, like a vampire. And really vampire. Okay. So today I'll be going with Hussein to Palghar. Now I don't know where that is, but I'm going to Palghar, and we'll be doing some stuff. Oh, by the way, Hussein is supposed to be Abhishek's friend. You'll later on check it out on this vlog. I will do it later on. Yeah. Now I have to go and take a bath, and I actually have to reach there by 10 o'clock. Not Palghar. I need to reach near Broadway. They'll be picking me up from there, and this is too close to towards my face. And like, okay, I'm shaking this camera too much. Wait. Yeah, that's better. So like, yeah, they told me to come at 10 o'clock near Broadway because they're gonna pick me up from there, and then we'll be going to Palghar. You will see that further in this vlog what we are doing, and I'll be taking my DSLR. I'm not doing photography. Might do if I see some good stuff over there. And yeah, and you'll be seeing Hussein as well, and the group Team X, that is supposed to be what do you call it, a social work group. Yeah, it's a social work group. I put a note over there what Team X is, because I know I have the tendencies to get distracted so easily, so it has to be that side or this side. So yeah, I need to take a bath quickly, get changed. I need to wear a black shirt and take a black shirt for Hussein as well, t-shirt that is, because I don't know, there's something they want to do. I want to wear black and all. Like, fine, it's not a problem for me. I do have a black t-shirt. Let's see how it goes. Bye bye. I am now all decked up, going towards Broadway, taking a bath, and yeah, look what I'm wearing, if you all can see. This is supposed to be the first customized t-shirt that I've made for Arms Photography, but it's got a spelling mistake. It should be PHO, but it's PHT. So yeah, it's one printing error. And yeah, so this is how it's gonna go, and the watchman's looking at me as if I'm a weirdo, and I'm not bothered about it. So I'll be there. I think I'll take 15 minutes to come that side, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Bye. I'm vlogging. Okay, so I'm all set to go to Palghar. I'm with the Team X, if you can see that is. They cannot see all. We can see you. Okay, so it's going to take 1 hour to reach there. We're going towards the forest area where the kids are there. We are going to give them food, and I don't know what, I don't know for what reason they're laughing at. And yeah, secondly, I am dead scared of sitting in this car because this guy is not a study. This is what they've been saying. Note to future self: never sit in a car if it's not yours. Something or the other happens, and that every time is dreadful. Be careful. ऐसा बात करे जैसे कि मैं फेल है. Your speech made us emotional. Again, another future story. Never ever be with bachas. This is what they do. So people are really not watching my video because they have been listening to DJ Wale Babu Mera Gana Bacha Do. Sorry, Chala Do. It's in my top 10 worst songs ever made that make no sense. What is this? People watch that video. See, this is such a crappy song.
Yeah, I mean that guy is so cruel. He doesn't listen. लड़की इतना बेचारी request.
Hey, to hell with the guy.
गाना बजाता नहीं है.
Hey, hell with the guy. It's a girl.
हाँ, बेचारी ने कैसे कैसे एक्सप्रेशन देके एक तो बोला था.
Okay, that was definitely gay.
ये 11 का बंदा है अजीम.
Whatever.
Yeah, he's in 11 with
I will just
my country.
shut it because Bichari she wants to sit.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, let me only scoot. Scoot.
पीछे ये जो रोड है ना,
Okay.
fuck यार.
Wow. He's definitely dropped his phone.
उसने शिफ्ट
So,
किया. ये जो पीछे रास्ता है वो
whatever
वही
it is,
जाएगा.
I'll come back.
नीचे ना
Shivani
रोड के नीचे ना.
has how my bum. If I had one though.
पोल है.
Yeah, Riverside. Okay. Road to future sir. Never listen to Shivani. Literally, bum का हालत हो जाता है. Whatever. Bye. In one piece, I did not die. Okay, so we are at Ambivali, whatever village resort, and
Freshen up in the washroom.
yeah, they are going to freshen up in the washroom. I don't need to go to the washroom. I am washroom. So, what happened? Okay, whatever. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, these people are also here, and we are in one piece. We came here in one piece. So we are waiting for the children to come. Like the underprivileged kids that do not get anything to eat or something. So we are going to provide them with food. We've got packages. And oh my god, there's a cat! Oh my god, there's a cat. Anybody who knows me knows that I cannot be without touching that cat. So bye! I'm going to go and touch that cat. Bye. Got my stuff from the car. And when I was coming back, this is what I see. That Shivani is coming, running to catch the jhula. I mean the swing, sorry. Sorry my foreign followers. What the heck? Like they are going to literally kill me. Literally.
Please.
Come on.
They want me to die.
See, there's one.
Oh my god, this is my favorite song. Sorry. I get excited like that. Oh my god, I'm shutting that. I'm gonna dance. This is just what happened. I could not record that. And like... Mehnat. Mehnat.
See,
Mehnat.
that's right.
अरे आदिश भाई को बोला. स्कूल अपन
Like,
गाड़ी
look
में
at
जाने
him.
वालों में.
Look at him. He's supposed to be the
कौन है आदिश भाई?
And look at him. He's the skinny guy.
रॉन कौन है आदिश भाई?
Okay, I'll go. That's why they're talking. So, like, Shivani was like, there's a slide. Oh my god, there's a slide. And Hussein was like, shut
We're
up.
going the car. Jaldi chal abhi.
Oh my god, we are going by the car. Why? Why God, why? Why do you do this? Ow. Why do you do this to
ऐसे
me?
बजाने चाहिए गाने.
Achha,
Chalo
okay,
na,
fine.
ma'am.
Bye. So we are back from that place where the children were waiting for us. And sorry, the monopod is here, so I'm using my hands to handle the camera. Damn you. Okay, so had really an awesome experience giving those children food and clothes. Like that happiness on their face was something way different. Like, I don't know, I found that very something different. People should do this more often. People should donate stuff. I don't know why people do not donate their stuff. Actually, you should do it. Make this world a better place. If you have a power to give somebody a smile on their face, do it. Literally. We need more of that in this world. So on that, I shall now shut this cam because I don't know how many minutes are left on this SD card, and Hussein also needs to shoot with that DSLR, so I have to be there. And we'll be going out from here by 2:30. Go back home. I have to do some work as well as the video editing of this thing. I've got a very good plan in my head because what they told me to record was something which I did not understand at first. But then later on I understood and I thought it's not that appealing. It doesn't have that appeal in it. So I'm gonna give them my idea. I'm gonna pitch my idea into theirs one. I hope they accept it. So yeah, whatever. Bye. I'm gonna meet you guys later on. Okay, so they are singing and we are on a kacha rasta. Look at them. Bichara, he can't do anything. He's just driving it. उसको ही देखो, उसको ही देखो. आपको मत देखो. They're literally kids. Literally kids. Like literally. Oh my god, Ayan, if you're watching this, he just took your spot. He literally took your spot with L. Yeah, okay, whatever. Before people start snatching my face and do something else more stupid. Yes. This is what I'm discussing about. Bye.
Oh my God, you said
So,
it.
actually recording you, Rod.
we are actually watching Speak right now.
Yeah.
Wow.
I hope it will be nice.
Yeah, it's really nice. People have really see. They're watching Speak. See, if you all can see that, yes. Mira, this is other viewers say they can't see anything. I have to edit the whole content thing to make them see. No. What are you doing?
She, because she is
I need to let it be in my hand. Okay, so ciao. I'm going to cry after this. I don't want you all to see. On the beach, Kadam Beach. See. If you all can.
This is what is going on.
And look at the girls.
Hey,
Okay.
and look at this. Follow me.
We are here. We are sitting here, and girls are on the ticket.
And I'm holding the ticket and my hands spinning like hell.
Oh, damn it! Wow!
Fuck! Hey, मेरा भाई साहब.
Abhishek, you're missing on good fun.
And I hate you. Even Nida is not listening.
He hates you. Wow! अच्छा आवाज गई मेरी वो तुम भी निकल रहा है Okay, that was dangerous.
Ron मानेगा नहीं कंजूस.
Like literally dangerous. Okay.
My hands spinning now.
Bechara, look at him. Damn it! He's been putting his hand over there. Look at the people looking at us. They look at us because we are cool. Look. Okay, literally I took 5 minutes for this
Why am I
vlog. Part
spelling
of the
something to
vlog.
burn?
It's outside, not in the car.
Turn.
Definitely not in the car. Whoops.
No, I. गाड़ी में नहीं लग रहा है कुछ.
क्या हुआ?
No, I don't think so. Okay, bye.
Sure?
I think something's wrong. Okay, so this time it's Shivani driving the car.
And again I'm back to my dicky job.
Bechara. And this time it's them sitting behind in the dicky. Riddhi and Riddhi and अरे रिद्धि ही बोला मैंने.
Nidhi and it sounds like Riddhi.
I said Riddhi. No.
Okay. नाना करते प्यार तुमसे कर बैठे.
And Ron is sitting in the passenger seat.
Hey, passenger ने go pilot.
Co-pilot seat.
Oi.
Sorry. And
क्या कर रहा है यार?
Hussain has gone mad.
Yeah,
And
I
I
also.
have lost
I hate
it.
you, Ajit.
Literally, wala.
What?
Like literally, I should be coming out more often
What?
because This is damn awesome. Like damn people, if you don't like that, you guys are mad. Okay, she was about to make us stop. I just love going on a road trip like this. I wish I could go on a road trip like this, literally. I just love doing all this. And what the hell are you doing? Okay, he's been recording me on his camera, sorry, Shivani's camera, and I'm like, what the hell is he doing? Superwoman, if you ever watch my vlogs, please. Wow. Okay, let's not do that again. Okay, let's not do that again. She's gone mad.
No, she's acting smart and she's gonna pay for it.
Literally. Her shoes are getting bad. Muddy. इसको नीचे करो यार थोड़ा और. Can't do it more. Shit.
I actually did not realize that.
Okay. My mom's gonna kill me when she sees this vlog. Literally. I'm like, yeah, baby. Whoa.
Oh, DJ वाला गा.
Oh, freak. Okay, she literally made it stop on purpose.
Yeah, final station button.
And look at my shoes, if you all can see that is. My shoes are all wet. Okay, it's not visible on the camera, but my shoes are all wet. I had actually gone towards this thing, water part. Okay, come on, baby. Yes, baby.
Excuse me, it sounds me. What?
Okay, shut up. I don't give a damn. Hey, no, distance. I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything.
But it
Trust me.
excites Ron.
Kasam.
It would surely excite
Kasam.
Ron because he's that kind of person. Hey.
Yeah, whatever.
See, that's what.
And look
keeps
at
happening
them.
into his head.
Literally, look at that.
Yay!
Are, this is disgusting. I'll have to beat that part. You've never heard my beep. Okay, Shivani, let's just drive safely.
I am driving safely, darling.
You're not driving safely, darling. Hi!
साले ये दोनों पीछे मजे कर रहे हैं, मेरा हाथ का लग रहा है और ये जिस स्पीड से चला रही है बार बार नीचे गिर रहा है.
Don't do future self. If Shivani is driving on the beach, don't sit. Run away. Mission abort.
Come on, मैं इतना बुरा भी ड्राइव नहीं करती.
We know what how you're driving.
Wow.
Yeah. This is what you call good driving.
बच्चे वालों को मजा देने के लिए.
मेरे को पता है डिक्की कितना बार बार नीचे आ रहा है, मेरे को कितना फोर्स लगाना पड़ रहा है उसको उठाने के लिए.
Exactly. Bichara.
एक मिनट.
Okay, what happened?
Innocent eyes.
Whoa! Oh shit! Okay. Okay, she just stopped without even telling me. I literally went inside the laptop. Camera, not laptop. Bye bye! Whoa! Hey, मेरा कैमरा गिराएगी रे तू आज.
ले रे तू तेरा कैमरा.
Okay, so we'll just shut this now. Who are y'all? Okay, we'll just shut it now.